day, everyone. I am Marialyn A. Turaha, and today we are going to discuss about the poster infographic interpretation. Now, what is infographic poster? An infographic poster is a visual representation of information, data, or process designed to make complex idea easy to understand. Now, they compare incorporate visual storytelling and eye-catching design elements like illustration, icons, and typography to make information more appealing and memorable. Now, infographic or information graphic is a representation of information of graphic format designed to make data easy to understand and able to understandable at a glance. Infographic poster is a type of visual communication tools that combines graphic, text, and data to present information in a way that is easy to understand and visually appealing. Now, instead of using long paragraphs, it summarizes key points through charts, icons, illustration, and short text, making complex information quicker to grasp. Now, let us proceed to the types of infographic. Number one is statistical infographic. If you want to visualize survey results, present data from multiple sources, or back up an argument with relevant data. A statistical infographic is a type of infographic that focuses on numbers, data, and statistics. It helps people quickly understand survey results, research finding, or comparison by turning numbers into charts, graphs, and icons instead of just explain text. Now, number two is informational infographic. An informational infographic is a deal for it you want to clearly communicate a new specialized concept or to give an overview of a topic. An informational infographic is used to explain or give an overview of a topic in a clear and easy to follow way. Instead of focusing on numbers, it focuses more on facts, key point, and explanation. Now, let us proceed to number two, a timeline infographic. A timeline infographic is an effective way to visualize the history of something or highlights important dates or to give an overview of an event. A timeline infographic is a visual way to show events in order. It organizes information by dates or steps, making it easy to say the history, progress, or important milestone of something. Now, number four is process infographic. Um, a timeline infographic will highlight point in a time. A process graphic is deal for providing a summary or overview of the step in a process. A process infographic is the use to show the step of a process in a clear and organized way. Unlike a timeline which focuses on dates and process infographic focuses on the order of action needed to complete something. Number 5 is geographic infographic. Using map charts as a focus visual, a geographic infographic is a type of infographic that use maps and location based visual to present information instead of just text or numbers. It shows where things happen or compare data across different places. Number 6 is a comparison infographic. A comparison infographic uses whether you want to compare option in unbiased way or you want to make an option seems better. And a comparison infographic is a use to show the similarities and differences between two or more things. It helps people quickly say which option is better or simply to compare choices in a clear way. Now, and that would be all. Thank you for watching.